If the item is chrome plated, you need to strip the chrome off first. For this, you switch the polarity. You block the black lead on the red output on the plating unit and the red on the black output. Then, with another fresh probe, using the chrome stripper solution, brush over the item with a voltage set between 9 and 10. A distinguished yellowish colour will indicate that the process is happening. Looking at the item, you can notice a difference of colour between the stripped part and the chromed part. When finished, rinse it and set the polarity back to normal, red on red and black on black. Then repeat the above process of gold plating.